Alright, so in my last video you saw how loud my PS3 was. It sounded like a vacuum or hair dryer or something like that. Yeah, so I googled why it does that. It's because of it's the core cell whatever inside the CPU and GPU working hard and stuff. At first I thought it was the hard drive, but I was totally wrong. So I also googled how to fix that, how to make it quieter, and it seemed to be working. Alright, so here's what you do. Here's how to make it quiet. You take 4 cans. I know it sounds lame, but you take 4 cans of food or whatever. They all have to be the same height, and you put them under the PS3. Now you see right here, there's the vent right here. There's a vent, and then there's this thing. This is only for PS3 fats, or I'm only telling it for PS3 fats. There's this thing right here, and then there's a little square right here underneath. You put the 4 cans on each corner of the square underneath, and then you just keep it in a well ventilated area. So as you can see, I'm on the XMB, and it's pretty quiet. So yeah, so now I'm gonna put a game in, and I'm gonna run it for about 30 minutes and see how loud it gets. This is it's about after an hour of it being on this little stand of food, and it's still quiet. So this just proves that it being on the stand with the vents down here not being covered by the table or something, it breathes, takes in cool air, more cool air. Stupid fucking phone.